day, it's the same old shit. Same ass niggas hitting the same old bitches.
Alright.
Get in the game, I know y'all tired of them bitches. And I got the beam on me just to make sure I ain't missing. Flipping balls, getting pros, you nickel and diamond. Hustle straight, night and day, it's like I was winding. I was taught real, never fake you boosting, no cable cords. My Jordans, they Concords, they want this encore. No Jay-Z, this rap shit in me, and it's easy. This street shit, you gotta be loyal, ain't no pretending. I can't lie, I was losing at first. I got my bands up, my hands tired from moving this work. My man's hired, then he fired, but I'm killing him first. He was a stupid little nigga trying to steal my work. People wildin' at his funeral, they sincerely hurt. Look, I'm raw motherfucker, fuck the law motherfucker. I click, clack the Glock and drop motherfuckers. I'm mad now. Jones then turned it to the bad guy. Hit his ass 4 times.